remember is that 10 years ago, before caregivers had a union, these folks were invisible.
We started in 2001 when workers joined together and passed an initiative to create the right to form a union.
Unions are the way that ordinary people achieve extraordinary things. There's no better proof of that than what we've seen in home care, where workers who formerly earned the minimum wage without benefits, without paid time off, without a pay scale, without workers' comp insurance, without health insurance, dental or vision insurance, fundamentally changed their lives.
You've helped transform how home care is delivered in this state, and you've built an incredibly powerful organization.
And we created a profession where none had existed before.
We worked hard to get what we've gotten, and we've done really well.
We're stronger as a group, and they hear our voices as a group versus being individual. We can't fight the fight by ourselves.
When we're together, we're David, going into battle against Goliath by himself. He slew that giant.
775 means for me that I'm not alone.
You have helped make this case in a way that's allowed us to move home care into Pennsylvania, Connecticut, Minnesota.
Every major newspaper in the state opposed the right of home care workers to form a union. We've gone up against governors. Governor Locke, who vetoed a 25-cent raise. We went up against the chair of the Appropriations Committee. We went up against the Senate Majority Leader.
SEIU 775 Northwest has become this force, and I've went out and helped people get registered to vote. So there's more people voting probably just because of SEIU 775 Northwest. I vote now where I didn't.
It is frankly astounding and shocking, the number of forces that are arrayed against American workers at this point in our history.
You and I know that we cannot tolerate things continuing to go on the way they are, that the system is rigged in favor of the rich and powerful corporations. 775 Northwest's 10-year history is a testament to how each and every one of you has stood up, faced your fear about, what's it going to mean if I get involved with the union, and made a huge difference, not just for yourself, but for every home care aide in this state and for the people you serve.
We have been able to make such incredible gains here in Washington that we are setting an example.
I am incredibly proud that our union has committed itself so fully, not just to lifting long-term care workers out of poverty, but to really playing a leadership role in a broader fight for the 99%.
That if you unite with your coworkers, stand up for yourselves, raise your voices up, and hold those in power accountable, that we can achieve justice for all of us and a better life for our children.
You are our heroes, and I am so glad that you and I are together in the fight in turning this country around.
Home care workers never back down.